Hey, what's up, guys? It's Ray here. So you may be asking, where is today's vlog? I don't think it's ready just yet, and I think the reason why it's not ready is because I did a photo shoot. I wanted to make sure that my friends got their photos before I upload them as a vlog. It's in the works. I just finished editing the photos. I'm working on the video part. It's going to look amazing. It just might have to wait a bit. That vlog might come out tomorrow, and then we'll see. But I'm pretty excited to share that with you. But for now, I don't have a vlog, but I do have a gear list of what I do for my professional photo shoots. So I'll share that with you right now. All right, guys. So we were packing for the photo shoot / videography shoot. So this is my main backpack, everyday backpack. It is a Brevity. Let's see, it's almost like a roll. It's not a roll top. It's the jumper. Pretty useful. Doesn't look like a typical photography bag. Got in the navy blue. Has a side access. You gotta get the side access, and then it has the top part, which is you can change this out for stuff. Put your camera gear in here. I love this thing. So first things first, the main camera. Oh, you want to pack with me? I'm not packing. What are you doing? Yeah, I am using the Sony a7 III with the 70-28 attached to it right now. This is my favorite go-to lens for wide angle. This is also my main video camera, so I use it. I'm a hybrid shooter, so by all means, that goes right here on the main side next to the side axis. My next lens, I use the 85mm Sony non-G Master. I don't know which one this one is. 1.8 f1.8 is my go-to portrait lens. Really reliable. I have the Tamron 28-75 to f2.8. This thing is amazing. Really cheap, really budget friendly. Definitely go with this as your first lens. Or I would say get the 28 to 150. That's a great one. All right, so that is the main camera parts. I have them all stacked up in there. Second, let's see, the microphone. I don't really use this. I got the Rode Wireless Go, the first generation. This works great. I use it as my everyday thing. Charge lasts almost months, but I'll bring this just in case. I always carry 2 cables just in case one fails. Oh yes. Battery pack, I love using this one. I don't know which company it is, but I got this on Amazon for $60. Charges it. You can charge your batteries, but also you can charge your phone on this thing. So this is great. So I use ND filters. This one is by K&F Concept. It's a variable ND filter. You can see that it turns black when I twist it. Perfect for running f2.8, f1.8, not worrying about losing that shallow depth feel. This one is a misty filter. I forgot what they call this. I just keep blanking it out. You won't notice it until you hit bright spots, the bright background, neon lights. These are great for that. I call it a misty filter because it looks like there's mist on your lens. So that's a great one. So that's the filters. This thing is already pretty much packed full. All right, as for, I have my gimbal. This is the DJI Ronin RSC. I'll link it somewhere below. And then I have this attachment for the top side. I love this thing. Great because you can get those low angle shots and not worry about it. So I know the RS3 Mini came out and I want that for sure, but this is my go-to for now. It stores really well on the top part of this bag without putting too much stress on anything. But yeah, that is pretty much it. I carry extra batteries on me. Oh, I have one of these. This is the LaCie hard drive, but this is a crossover with DJI. You can see right here that you can actually, it's like one of those backup storage. You put your SD card and ingests it and stores your files as a backup by copying it over to this within minutes. Love this thing in case I lose something or lose data and I need to back it up into something really fast. Rocket blower. This thing's huge, so I hang this on the side with a carabiner. This is great for that. Or I have it on this side pocket right there. And this is like my hat cam. I mentioned this earlier. I use a hat cam. And this is the Insta360 Go, the first gen. I really haven't, I don't need to upgrade this. It's great because it's so small. You like stick it on the top of your hat, and you like run around with it. I have the clip here somewhere. Battery isn't the best, so I only record like 15 to 30 seconds. Snaps on, has a little mini tripod. Go. So that goes in here. I'm all packed. But oh, someone's here. Who's that? Yeah? Go. Get up. Go. Go. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? Kai, look who misses you. You're in the vlog now. I know. Look at how happy he is to see mom. Oh. Kai, get back here. Yeah.